Hey guys, my name is Michael Bloom from Local Real Estate. Welcome to 15983 Talon Ter in beautiful Punta Gorda, Florida. Come on in, I'll show you around. Built in 2023, this highly coveted west wing floor plan boasts 3 bedrooms plus a den, 3 bathrooms, a great room with plank tile flooring, 13 feet high ceilings, and a gourmet kitchen featuring this custom granite island. With 2,800 square feet of living space and all the natural light one could ask for, this layout provides the perfect blank canvas to create the home you've always wanted. Oh, and before I forget, the primary suite features dual walk-in closets and an expanded master bedroom with walk-in shower, vanity, soaking garden tub, and dual sinks. And now for my favorite part of the home. As you can see, this is the perfect outdoor space for entertaining guests, spending quality time with loved ones, or just relaxing with a drink in hand floating around in the swimming pool and spa, heated with natural gas. And did I not already mention that 15983 Talon Ter resides directly off the green of hole 12? While heckling is frowned upon here at Babcock National, viewing and friendly waves are highly encouraged. Bundled golf membership, tennis, pickleball, fitness center, and day spa are amongst the resort-style amenities that are included with this highly coveted property.